Performance Vacuum is Denver's premier Miele dealer. We stock a full line of Miele products, anything from their canisters to their new HX1 and HX2 quick broom. We understand the needs of our customers with different floorings, pets, pet hair, and pet hair cleanup. Come into our store for a live demonstration where you can touch, feel, and see what's right for your home. You'll be sure to find a Miele model in our store that fits your needs. Performance Vacuum is located in Greenwood Village. We'll have a link in the description below so you can come in and take your Miele for a test drive. We're fully stocked. No need to wait. You can take your Miele home today. If you already have a Miele, we stock a full line of filters, vacuum bags. At Performance Vacuum, we only use genuine Miele parts and accessories. Our technicians have over 18 years of experience doing service on Miele, so we can keep your vacuum cleaner running right, with service done right the first time. At Performance Vacuum, we stand by our work and our product, just like Miele's saying, "Times are better or forever better." Come check out our store, link in the description.